Hey guys, back after a long break. I will be unboxing something different today. As you can see, it's the Honor Magic V6. Normally I unbox NBA Baller Zuru, so I've taken a break from that, and maybe I might come back now that season three is coming back. Um, but anyways, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to be talking about the specs. I'm not going to pretend I'm a nerd or know it all when it comes to the specs of this, but I'll explain why I went with Magic V6 instead of Samsung Z Fold or the Z Fold 8 Ultra, because they're actually cheaper. Um, anyways, let's unbox this now. So I got this from JB-Hi-Fi. I'm in Australia, so we've got this cool electronics store called JB-Hi-Fi. They've got an offer of so this device retails at 2,999, and if you go with JB Hi-Fi, they'll take 2,000 off the the price on the phone, and then you'll end up paying just 999, and then you'll own the phone. And you need to sign up for a 24-month plan with Telstra. They're the main telco company here in Australia. So 24 months of $99. And if you add that up, you'll end up paying a total of 3,375. So that's for the phone and the plan. Now, if you think about it, if the phone was 2,999 and the total cost to get this phone and the plan is 3,375. So basically, all I needed to do was add $376 on top of the 2,999. So it looks like for me to get the phone, the plan, and even the free watch, 6 and ear clips, I only needed to add 376. So let's say they didn't give me a discount on the phone of 2,000, which is 2,999. Yeah, the difference between what I'm going to be paying for the phone and the plan and the retail price of 2,999 is $376. So it almost looks like I paid 376 for the plan, the 24-month plan, the watch, and the earbuds, the ear clips. So I went with that instead of going to another company called Harvey Norman, where you can get the Samsung Z Fold for $69. It's a 3-year plan, $69, and you're actually paying nothing for the phone. You're just paying for the plan, but it's a 3-year contract. Now, if you go for the Ultra, Z Fold 8 Ultra, it's $79 for 3 years and $0 on the phone. So even though it works out that the phone will be free, and the total cost is much more, it's cheaper than going for this one. I decided to go for this one because I don't know, the specs are much better in my well, for these that I need. It's got a 6,600 battery, 512 gig memory. Now, if I was to get that with the Z Fold 8 Ultra, it's much more expensive. So, anyways, that's the phone. in here. It's like nothing's in here. Okay, set that aside. So that's for the SIM card slot injector. Not injector, but ejector. Now it sucks how a lot of phones now don't provide the plug, the wall socket, just the USB cord. So considering the price that we pay for phones, it's off-putting. And that's the case, the free case that it comes with the phone. Now I believe this one opens. Yep. So it becomes a, you can't rotate it, but yeah, it becomes a ring and a stand. Alright, so like I said, the main reasons why I went with this is the memory, 512 gig, and the battery, 6600, and it comes with a phone, a watch, a smartwatch, which they claim it'll last up to 36 days with minimal use. So that's almost a month compared to some of the smartwatches nowadays, so lately. So I got the black one. Let's try the case. Alright, so it's still got the cover. There you go. Sorry about the ring light. Yeah. Let's see if the stand will stay with unfolded. Yep, it does. Alright, so yeah, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to go into specs. There's so many more videos out there with specs, and you should listen to them more than myself, because yeah, I'm clueless when it comes to that. Oh, good. Look at the case. So it's got a cover for the hinge as well. So anyways, I'm looking forward to using this. Now that the NBA Ballers Zero Series 3 is coming out, I might start unboxing again. It's just been hectic, and it kind of got too expensive buying them. But yeah, I'm almost up to 1K subscribers, so hit the subscribe button if you can. That'll help me. And yeah, there you go. Let me know where you guys went if you're in Australia and how much it cost you. Because Harvey Norman was selling this phone for $2,999 without a plan. So that's why I went with JB. So $2,000 off the phone amount, and $99 for 24 months with Telstra. So anyways, that's all. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.